What weighs on your soul, old friend? I implore you to share the load. If it was thou who slew the angel, why not let your strength be known?
I always thought that I would keep blood off my face, but when that thing attacked, I had to act to cross that line and keep them safe. But if anyone knew, then all of hell would rise to war, and who's to say who'd survive the fray? I might lose the ones that I was killing for. So I'll be your keeper. Do whatever it takes. I'll make the mistakes. I'll keep you safe and keep this secret. When I saw your face, you made me feel like a stranger in a brand new place, and it felt so good to be understood. But there's so much I